it's running. It's idling at like 2,000, but it's staying there. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's dying. This door like sags when it opens. But before we worry about anything cosmetic, our primary objective is to get the engine, get the car running well. This would be a cute date car because you have a little table here. Previously I changed the oil and there was some like filmy look to it, so I'm a little concerned about that. That's not the diagnostics box. That is. So what we need to do is jump 2 of the pins. Good news is that I found the diagram and it is these 2. So it's possible. What up world, it's BK here. Oh wait, we already introed this show. So, it's a new day with new opportunities, and we are okay. What's going on is when I start the car, it idles to 2,000 RPMs. And it's like startup routine, and then when it comes back down, it just dies. But after a few starts, we got it to idle. So the check engine light came on, which means that likely we have codes. We're going to jump the pins on the diagnostics box and check the code that comes up. Okay, to get the engine codes, we're gonna have to jump these 2. So yeah, it's E1 to T+. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it's just 7. Well, 7 is the throttle position sensor. So we unplugged the throttle position sensor. Oh, we're running well. We're dumping smoke. Okay, so I can't tell if the smoke is white or blue, so we could have a head gasket blown, or we could have too much oil in it, or something else going on. We're gonna try to run it for a little bit. So the white smoke stopped, or blue smoke, I'm not sure. Now that we have the car started and running, it's time to compression test it. If you'd like to see that, check out this video. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.